Introducing the Porsche Exchange 2024 Restoration Challenge entry. This year we embark on a journey with an extraordinary find, a 1975 911 Carrera Targa.
This car is extremely rare. It's one of 150 US Carreras, so it makes it kind of special and very different.
This black on gold is one of only 36 ever built, and what sets it apart is not just the rarity, but the treasure trove of documentation we've managed to acquire. From its original bill of sale to its meticulous maintenance records dating back as far as 1975. We embark on a complete restoration journey, leaving no nut or bolt unturned. From the engine to the wiring, every component will undergo meticulous scrutiny. Our technical staff is at the heart of this project, and this year we've taken a unique approach. We've divided tasks among specialized teams, ensuring a seamless process from start to finish. From engine specialists to wiring experts and a close collaboration with our Porsche parts specialists, it's a true group effort. And what's more exciting, we're upgrading the engine block with one of Porsche's latest innovations, a magnesium block, taking performance to new heights. We're thrilled to share this journey with our Porsche community. Come visit our dealership and witness the magic as we breathe new life into this legendary Targa.